Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're amazing. Let me introduce myself. I am Nur Intan Putri Ayuni with student ID 20030500001. This is basic grading course assignment. And today I will explain the material about organizing ideas by rank order. Let's start the material. Check it out. Alright, before I start with first material, I will give you some topics of this material. The first, using rank order. Second, signal words. Third, ranking in order of importance. And the last, rewriting. Alright everyone, so the first topic is using rank order. So I will tell you a little bit about using rank order. Is one very common ways to organize your ideas is to arrange them in order of their importance. You may begin with the most important idea and end with the less important idea and save the most important one for last. So guys, to understand about this topic, I want you and I to read this paragraph and answer some questions. The first paragraph is: there are many ways to learn a new language. One way is to spend a lot of watching TV and listening to the radio. Another way is to take classes at a language institute or university. But the best way to learn a new language is a talk to a native speaker. The first question is: what three ways to learn a new language does the author mention? So my answer is: the first is to spend a lot of watching TV and listening to the radio. Second is to take classes at the language institute or university. Third is to talk to a native speaker. Alright, we continue to the second question is: what does the author feel is the best way? So my answer is: the best way to learn a new language according to writer is to talk to a native speaker. And the third question is uh, write the paragraph in another way. This time begin with the best way to learn a new language. Remember to begin your paragraph with a topic sentence. So my paragraph in another way is: there are some ways to learn a new language. The best way to learn a new language is to talk to native speakers. Another way is to take classes at language institute or university. The final is to spend a lot of time watching TV and listening to the radio. Alright guys, so we move to the second material is signal words. And the following is a list of signal words. Then I want to we study the following list of signal words for rank order, and notice that some of them are the same as those used with time order. Alright guys, so here are some signal words for rank order. You can see that there are one, another, the next, the final, the most important, and the best. There are you can use for reason, way, advantage, method, and etc. And beside that, you can see the signal words for time order. There are first, second, third, finally, most important, for one thing, first of all, and for another thing. You can see that the signal words for rank order is uh, the same with signal words for time order. Alright, we move to the third material is ranking in order of importance. So, to understanding this material, let's discuss the qualities of a good teacher with the people in your group. Decide which quality you think is the most important. Put a 1 in front of the quality. Then decide the next more important quality and put a 2 in front of it. And so on. So guys, for number 1, in my opinion, qualities of a good teacher. The first important is has knowledge of subject, and the second has ability to explain clearly, and the third cares about student. For number two, in my opinion, the things to consider when choosing university. The first important is quality of education. The second, cost. The three, location, and the fourth, size. And the third question, in my opinion, advantage of making your own clothes. The important is the first lower cost, then better fit, and last higher quality. So guys, finally we move to the last material is rewriting. So to understanding this material, the first you let's organizing your ideas and putting them in paragraph form are only the first two steps of writing process. Next come to the important steps of revising and proofreading. So this is my paragraph. There are many advantages of making your own clothes. One advantage is the quality of the clothes will be higher. If you are people who really think about comfort when wearing clothes, of course you will look for high quality materials to be comfortable to wear. Another advantage is the size will be fit better. If you make your own clothes, you of course you will measure it exactly according to the size of your body parts. If you buy the clothes at the store, it will be very difficult to find the right one for your body. The best advantage of making your own clothes is the cost will be lower. If you buy a ready-to-use clothes in the store, the cost will be higher because there is a calculation of the cost of manufacture. Whereas if we make it yourself, you will only buy the ingredients. So guys, we will revising from my paragraph later. I will tell you about revising a little bit about revising. It is almost impossible to write a perfect paragraph on your first try. The first try is called the first draft. You must read over your first draft carefully and answer the following question. So, let's answer this some question. Is there a topic sentence? Yes, there is a topic sentence. Do all the other sentences support the topic sentence? Yes, all the other sentences support the topic sentence. The third, are the sentences in a logical order? Yes, all the sentences in a logical order. Did you include signal words to help guide a reader from one idea to the other? Yes, I include signal words to help guide my reader from one idea to the other. 5. Is there any other relevant information you want to add your paragraph? My answer is no. There is no other relevant information I would like to add in my paragraph. Alright everyone, we move to the second point from the material of rewriting is proofreading. After you have revised your paragraph, you should rewrite it before you hand it in. Make sure you proofread it. This question will help you proofread. The first question, is the first sentence indented? My answer, yes, the first sentence is indented. The second, are there any spelling or punctuation errors? No, there is no any spelling or punctuation errors. The third, are all the sentences complete the sentences? Yes, all the sentence complete sentence. Alright guys, that's all my presentation, the material about organizing ideas by rank order, and I also show you my paragraph and the rewriting from my paragraph. Thank you for your attention and thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.